Hi, and welcome back to Bearder Builds Garage. Today I'm back at the junkyard. I needed a few things, which you'd know from the last video, so I decided to pick up a couple of brake lines that I was missing for the car. Since they were off this car, they're perfect for the ABS. I'm going to look at the fuel sender so that I can get the level, since I don't have one. And yeah, then we're gonna go find another Civic to get the hardware for the airbox and stuff, a little popper for the gas tank door, and a pedal from a CRV. I think is what we're gonna try and do. All right. Okay, this one here already has the dash bolt, so I can get to the bolts for the pedals, as well as the wire harness here, and then all the box stuff I need, which is great. I'm also going to quickly pull the seat bolts, because I know I pulled some for mine, but I don't know where they are, and these look pretty good. So this is the TSX I took the pedal from there. For the key, let's go have a back glare here. There's two plugs here, which are these guys. They're the second part of the immobilizer. I should be picking up the ECU, engine harness, and all that I need all together paired with a key and this stuff, so that hopefully it'll work in the Civic. I'm just gonna take some of this stuff that I need so that I can hopefully make it work in the Civic. Okay, now we're back at my car, so we'll throw the new hardware I just got from the yard there, hold these boxes in and pedals in, and then we can keep going. Okay, now we got those top bolts securing the pedals in. We got all the hardware on all the nuts, which is great. The airboxes are completely in now, so let's see. Yeah, so I don't know if I have a nut for that, but I'm going to try and rig something up with the hose here for the cable so that it connects to there. I found a little grommet there. Doesn't look too bad. It'll still need work. And pass that through, replug that back in. I got some brake lines from the yard too. I'm going to have to try and separate those. If not, I'll just bend some new lines, but at least I have the shapes that I need and the fittings, so that'll help make new ones. There's the level sender off that Civic, so when I get a fuel cell I can just put this in and get my level off of that. And yeah, I got a new top dome light. It wasn't the same, so I'll have to find one off of a hatchback, so that'll be fun. But yeah, so for the most part that stuff is in there good. So next I can start putting carpet and dealing with those wiring and the doors, because I need to see if I need to gut them or not. I have power locks, so that doesn't have the module there, so I don't know if this wiring is compatible, if I gotta cut the whole thing to put my wiring in. So we'll do that next weekend, and yeah, let's see. I think that's about it for now. So I'm gonna end this episode off here. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, show me that you want to keep watching this stuff. If you got any comments, comment down below. But yeah, I'm going to keep on going and keep the weekly videos going.